Most videos are not ignored because they are bad. They are ignored because the viewer feels nothing. You can have good editing, a clean thumbnail, and a decent idea, and still get skipped in half a second. Because attention does not go to the best video. It goes to the video that creates the strongest reason to care. That is what this video is about. How to make videos feel impossible to ignore, even if you are a beginner. And the scary part is this. Most creators accidentally train viewers to ignore them. They start too softly, explain too slowly, and make the viewer wait for the reason the video matters. But viewers do not wait anymore. They judge instantly. So by the end, you will have a simple test for every video idea. Would someone stop their life for this? Because if the answer is no, the algorithm probably will not save it. The first rule is simple. Stop making videos about topics. Start making videos about tension. A topic is how to grow on YouTube. Tension is why your videos are being ignored even when you are trying hard. A topic tells the viewer what the video is about. Tension tells them why they should care right now. That difference is everything. Because no one clicks a video because it exists. They click because there is a gap in their mind. They want to know why something is happening, how to fix something, or what they are missing. So before you write any script, ask, what uncomfortable question does this video answer? Not, how to make better videos. That is too soft. Try, why do people stop watching your videos, even when the idea is good? Now the viewer has a reason to lean in. And here is the first trap. Creators think being helpful is enough. It is not. Helpful information becomes invisible when it is wrapped in boring framing. The same advice can feel dead or addictive, depending on the problem you attach it to. For example, use a strong hook. Sounds like generic creator advice. But your first 15 seconds are accidentally giving viewers permission to leave. Feels personal. Same lesson. Completely different pull. That is how you make an idea harder to ignore. You do not just explain the tip. You expose the mistake the viewer is already making. And in a second, I will show you why your opening line matters less than what the viewer feels during it. Because a hook is not just a clever sentence. A hook is a promise that continuing the video will be worth the viewer's time. Bad hooks introduce. Good hooks interrupt. A bad hook says, "Today I am going to talk about making better videos." A good hook says, "Your video is probably losing before the first sentence finishes." That line creates a tiny emergency. And attention follows emergencies. But there is a catch. If your hook is dramatic, but your video does not deliver, viewers feel tricked. So the goal is not to be loud. The goal is to be accurate, in an interesting way. Your hook should feel like the honest version of the viewer's problem. That is why "you are doing thumbnails wrong" is weaker than "your thumbnail is making the viewer ask the wrong question." One sounds like advice, the other creates curiosity. And curiosity is one of the strongest forces on YouTube. But curiosity alone is not enough. You also need clarity. If the viewer has to work too hard to understand the video, they will leave before they care. This is where beginners often mess up. They try to make the video sound smart instead of making it instantly understandable. But great YouTube ideas are usually simple sentences with emotional weight. I tried posting for 30 days and nothing happened. I copied successful creators and still failed. I changed one thing and people finally watched. Each one is clear. Each one has tension. So here is the second test. Can a tired person understand your video idea in one breath? If not, simplify it until they can. Because the internet does not reward confusion. It rewards instant recognition. The viewer should feel, "Wait, that is me." That moment is more powerful than any editing trick. Now let's talk about the part almost nobody respects enough. The first minute. The first minute is not where you slowly warm up. It is where you prove the click was not a mistake. If your title promises "impossible to ignore videos," the first minute must explain what makes videos ignorable. That means no long backstory, no soft intro, no "before we start." Start with the pain, sharpen the problem, then show the path. Pain. Your videos get skipped. Problem. You are giving viewers information before giving them a reason to care. Path. Build every video around tension, clarity, proof, and payoff. That is a first minute that feels like it is going somewhere. And viewers stay when they feel movement. This is why retention is not only about editing faster. Retention is about constantly renewing the viewer's reason to continue. Every 30 to 60 seconds, the viewer silently asks, "Why am I still here?" Your job is to answer before they leave. You can do that with an open loop. Like, in a moment, I will show you the mistake that makes good videos feel boring. You can do it with a contrast. Like, most creators try to add more. The better move is usually to remove the wrong thing. You can do it with a mini story. Like, I once thought my idea was the problem, but the real problem was the first sentence. These little resets keep the video alive, because attention fades when the video feels predictable. Pattern breaks are not random jokes. They are small changes that wake the viewer back up. You can switch from explanation to example. You can ask a question the viewer has probably felt. You can tell a quick mistake you made. You can zoom out and show the bigger lesson. The point is not chaos. The point is rhythm. A video that never changes shape starts feeling like homework, but a video with rhythm feels like a conversation. Now here is where impossible to ignore really happens. You need stakes. Stakes are what the viewer loses if they ignore the video, and what they gain if they watch. Without stakes, even useful advice feels optional. For example, Make Better Titles has low stakes, but your title decides whether your best work ever gets a chance has high stakes. That makes the advice feel urgent. Do not fake stakes. Find the real consequence. If someone ignores this lesson, what happens? Maybe they keep making videos, nobody clicks. Maybe they blame the algorithm instead of fixing the packaging. Maybe they quit before they ever get good enough to win. That is not fear-mongering. That is context. Viewers care more when they understand the cost of staying the same, and they care even more when they can see a believable transformation. Do not promise magic. Promise movement. A beginner does not need to believe they will become famous tomorrow. They need to believe they can make the next video better than the last one. That is a powerful promise, because it feels achievable. Now let's make this practical. Before you make your next video, write down 3 sentences. Sentence 1, the viewer's painful situation. Sentence 2, the hidden reason it is happening. Sentence 3, the change the video will help them make. For this video, it would be this. You are making videos people ignore. The hidden reason is that you are explaining before creating tension. The change is learning to build every video around a reason to care. That is the spine of the video. Once you have the spine, the script becomes easier. Every section should either raise tension, clarify the idea, prove the point, or pay something off. If a section does none of those, cut it. This is one of the hardest lessons for creators. Sometimes, the part you like is the part making viewers leave. Your ego wants to keep it. Your retention wants it gone. And that is the difference between making videos for yourself and making videos people watch. But do not misunderstand this. Making videos people watch does not mean becoming fake. It means caring enough to communicate clearly. The viewer is not lazy because they need a strong reason to watch. They are overloaded. They have homework, work, stress, friends, games, messages, and 1,000 other videos fighting for them. So when someone gives you their attention, treat it like it matters. Do not waste the first 30 seconds warming up. Do not hide the best idea at the end with no reason to stay. Do not make the viewer guess why the video exists. Tell them, show them, prove it, then reward them. That is the simple loop. Tension makes them click. Clarity makes them understand. Proof makes them believe. Payoff makes them feel glad they stayed. And when all 4 are working together, the video becomes difficult to ignore. Not because it screams louder, because it feels more relevant than everything around it. That is the real game. The creators who win are not always the smartest, funniest, or most talented. They are often the ones who understand the viewer the best. They know what the viewer is afraid of. They know what the viewer wants. They know what the viewer has already tried. And they build the video from that point, not from their own need to talk. That is why the best videos feel personal. They make thousands of people think, "This was made for me." You do not get that by copying viral formats blindly. You get it by understanding the human problem underneath the format. So the next time you plan a video, do not start with, "What can I talk about?" Start with, "What does my viewer already care about but cannot fully explain yet?" That question will make your titles better. It will make your hooks sharper. It will make your pacing easier. And it will make your videos feel like they matter, because impossible to ignore videos are not built from tricks. They are built from empathy, pressure, clarity, and payoff. Empathy means you understand the viewer. Pressure means there is a reason to keep watching. Clarity means they never feel lost. Payoff means staying was worth it. That is the framework. And now the challenge is simple. Before you upload your next video, watch the first 60 seconds and ask one brutal question. Would a stranger with no reason to care keep watching this? If the honest answer is no, do not blame the algorithm yet. Fix the reason to care. Because attention is not taken. It is earned. And the creator who learns that early has a massive advantage. Not because their videos are perfect, because every upload teaches them how to become harder to ignore. That is the real goal. Do not make louder videos. Make videos that understand people so well, they have to stop scrolling.